character, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. I want to address Okay guys, we're going to jump right into this video. What you see me doing right now is rinsing out it's a leave-in conditioner. I use the Cantu product, the Cantu Argan Oil leave-in conditioner as a deep conditioner, and I put oil on the top of that, and I slept with the leave-in conditioner in my hair overnight with a plastic bag on my head. I wanted to really get my hair refreshed and hydrated and moisturized because, like I keep saying in several videos, I am in Atlanta and the air is a lot drier here. And my hair has been going through some things here. So I'm really trying every little thing that I can to get my hair back soft and moisturized and feeling really hydrated. So as you guys are just watching me wash out this leave-in conditioner that I used as a deep conditioner mask, then I will follow up with the SHEA Moisture's baby shampoo. It's like hair and body shampoo. It's the little yellow container, but because I am not home, I do have like it in a travel size bottle. So that's what I'm going to be shampooing my hair with. And then after I get done shampooing my hair, I'm going to follow up with the Mane and Tail leave-in conditioner. But you guys, that's going to be a separate video. But just watch me wash my hair and enjoy this video. I'm not going to talk through this whole video because I felt like it was pretty relaxing just watching me wash my braids. There is a patch of soap that I leave in the back of my head on an accident, and while I was watching this video I was like, please wash it out, please wash it out, and I didn't get it washed out of my head. So you guys just enjoy the video and leave comments down below if you have any other questions about my braid journey or my hair growth journey in general.